seeds I'm actually sowing today are lobelia. Hopefully you can see that. And some petunias. What else have we got? Some dahlias. Never done them from seed before, so that will be exciting. And antirrhinums, snapdragons to us old people. Right, let's crack on. Right, let's start by filling these. I'm only using these small trays at the moment. I'll apologise for any sniffing because it is flipping cold. Now, I've not sieved this purely because I put my sieve somewhere and I haven't found it yet. So it's going to have to be, I can pick out any massive lumps. It'll be fine, which I quite often say, and my husband, absolutely, it drives him up the wall. Right, what are this? Just another little thing that the other half made me. I've got varying sizes. That one's for the module, the container-wise module trays, which is perfect. Right, and just feel like I've got to get out and sow something. It's doing my head in being stuck indoors. So, right. First up, we will do the antirrhinums. Oh my God, I don't actually know how many I've got of these left. Ah. Not too bad. They're all rather, oh, there's quite a few there actually. We'll just sprinkle them over the top. Be much easier if they were a light coloured seed, but that'll do. Probably get them popping up because I'm probably dropping some in the compost in the tray, but oh my gosh. Right, now just a very light sprinkling over the top of this. Just say about 1/4 inch over the top, but right. Obviously these are all going to go indoors in my propagator. Right, what have I forgotten to do? Yes, I am a cheapskate. I cut the labels in half. Right, that's going to be snapdragons because that's snapdragons. Easier to spell. Right, one. Let's do this one first. And these are the dahlias. Piccolo. Right, ready for that one. I'm doing quite well at holding off sowing anything else, although I have got some peppers to do at some point. Oh God, I can't feel my fingers. I could have done this indoors, I suppose, but it's just nice to be outside. Oh, they're better. Much better. The snow has actually finally gone at the moment, although they do say we are going to get some pretty heavy rain and wind over today and tonight, and then possibly turn into snow tomorrow. So just getting totally fed up with being stuck indoors. So it's nice just to get out and get a start on something. And these do take a long time, so they do need sowing early. Right, number 2. These are the ones I'm not particularly looking forward to doing because they are so small. But these are the petunias. Yep. Oh my gosh. There's probably hundreds here. That will do. I'm sure other people have started sowing some things, but let me know if you've done any flowers yet. What's the other lobelia? Can't spell. Right. Now I'm not actually going to put anything over there because they need light to germinate. Or shall I put some? We'll just put a very fine. This is extremely fine vermiculite, so that'll be okay. At least that way I shall know what ones are what as well. Let's get that. And lastly, lobelia. Which are no bigger at all. And every year I do this, I sow them in the trays and then I curse having to prick them out because they're so small. but trying to put these into modules, I'm not even going to attempt it. Right, that will do. Right. Right, let's put that in there first. Some more of these. Right, job done. I'll take those indoors, give them a water. I'll sit them in a tray for 10 minutes or so, and then they can go in the propagator. So yeah, I'm happy now. I feel like I'm doing something.